Hey guys, so today I've got some gift sets to show you from a company that does like horror and Halloween bath bombs and soaps and stuff like that. They also do just normal ones as well, so they do like Christmas ones and birthday ones and things, but they have done a Halloween and a horror kind of collection, so they sent that to me to show you guys. I do have a cold, so if I sound really snotty, I do apologise. I know it's kind of gross. So I've got 3 huge boxes to show you. The company is called VBC. I'll put all their information down below in the description in case you want to go and check them out. So the first one I've got is called Lazy Bones gift set. Then I've got the Trick or Treat gift set. And then I've got this big one, which is the Open If You Dare gift set. So I've not looked through any of these yet. We're kind of opening them together. It does say on the back all like the ingredients and stuff that's in there, so I have kind of seen what is in it, but I've not actually seen the items myself. So we're gonna open these now. So we are gonna start off opening the Lazy Bones gift set first. Now there is a 3 skull and a 6 skull version of this. The 3 skull is £8 and the 6 skull is £15. I'm not sure which one this one is, so we'll have to see. But I think 3 bath bombs in a little gift set for £8 is a really good deal, and £15 for 6 as well. Like, it makes a cute little present. So let's see what is in this one. Okay, so it's all tissue paper wrapped inside, which is really cute. Okay, so I think this is the 3, yeah. So this is the 3 skull one. And this is what they look like. So this is the pink one. They're all individually wrapped. Smells amazing. Let's see what it says. Oh, okay, so these are perfume dupe scented. So this one is Flower Blast, apparently. I've never smelt the perfume Flower Blast, so I'm not sure, but that is our little pink guy. Then we have a multicolored one, which is pink, yellow and blue, and this one is Thai lime and mango scented. I can definitely smell the mango. Smells very fruity, that one. And then we have a blue one, which looks like this. And this one is Creed. So is it an aftershave Creed? I think it is. That is a dupe of Creed anyway. So that is our little Lazy Bones gift set. Next we'll do the Trick or Treat Halloween one. This one is £13.50. So let's have a look what is in here. Okay, so there's 4 things in this for £13.50, which is really cool. So the first thing we've got is a really cute little ghost bath bomb. He is apparently lime, basil and orange scented. I can't really smell that one through the plastic because it's wrapped so well. But lime, basil and orange. We have a little gingerbread skeleton, which is so cute. It's like a little gingerbread man on one half and then a little skeleton man on the other half, and he is smoky oak scented. I can smell that one a little tiny bit. My sense of smell is pretty much gone anyway because I've got a cold, so I'm probably not the best person to be smelling these right now. But from what I can smell, it smells good though. I also like that some of these aren't all feminine scents. They are like men could use them too. Not that men can't use the feminine scented ones, but I know that some men would prefer a bath bomb to be a more masculine scent. Or sometimes a female would like a more masculine scent too. So I like that they're not all like fruity and floral is what I'm trying to say. Next we have a haunted house bath bomb, which is strawberry scented. It's very tropical colours. I don't think it's really showing up very well on camera with the light shining on it, but there is a little ghost up here and like a moon with a little bat and stuff. I can smell that one and it smells amazing. So that one is strawberry. And then the last thing in this box is a little soap, a little coffin soap. So it does say Trick or Treat on here. Again, not sure if you can see it or not. And then it's got like a crow's foot, I think, or a tree root. I'm not really sure. I can't see with the plastic, but it's got a little design up here anyway. And this is, again, the Thai lime and mango scent. So it's a similar scent to the Ghost Bath Bomb. So that was our little trick or treat gift set. And then last but not least, we have the Open If You Dare horror gift set. This one is a lot bigger than the other ones, but it's still only £14.50. I think there is still 4 items in this. The box is just bigger, but this is our horror one. So let's open this one and see what is in here. So in this one, we have the Nun Bath Bomb. Again, this one is a smoky oak scent. This one is a lot bigger than the other bath bombs. It also looks like it's gonna give off some different colours, which is really cool. It has a little tiny opening here, so I can actually smell it. It smells amazing. I know the camera is ruining the look a little because of the plastic, but hopefully you can see that under there. It's very creepy looking. So that is our Nun bath bomb. Next we have this one called the Clown, which obviously looks like a very famous clown that we probably know, and it is strawberry scented. It's not showing up on camera, but this purple up here is actually like a glittery metallic kind of colour. Again, huge big chunk. You could definitely split this into 2 if you wanted to use it for 2 different baths. Then we have a Ouija planchette bath bomb. This one is Thai lime and mango. A little smaller than the other 2, maybe like the same size as the previous bath bombs, but looks so cool though. And then finally in this one we have a skull soap. So this one is red and black with like a tribal sort of design on it. And this one is a dupe for Invictus. Is it Invictus? I think that's how you say it. Again, I think that's an aftershave. It's not a smell I've ever heard of. I've heard of the perfume or the aftershave, but I've not smelt it, so I can't tell you how accurate that is, but yeah, that is our little soap. That was the 3 gift sets. So just quickly showing you again, in the horror Open If You Dare one, you get the Nun, the Clown, the Ouija and the skull soap. In the Trick or Treat Halloween one, you get the Haunted House, the Ghost, the Gingerbread Skeleton and the little coffin soap. So these 4. And in the Lazy Bones, you get the 3 different colours of the skulls. So yeah, that was the horror and Halloween gift sets from VBC. You don't have to buy them in the gift set. They do actually sell all the things individually as well for like a few pounds each. It's super cheap. So I will put all the information for them down below in case you want to go and check them out. They also sell other things as well, like shower steamers and stuff like that. So if you don't have a bath, they do sell other items, which is really cool. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.